Alright, so if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you realize that I, on occasion, make pens. A few years ago, it started off just as something I was doing for fun, and I built a few and I sold maybe like one or two every other month. And then it slowly started to kind of ramp up from there, and I built it all here in my little workshop basement corner of my office, and that's worked good to a point. Now it's at a point where I'm building enough pens that it's kind of getting crowded. Like, I got my mill here, I have my lathe sitting here, I have my surface plate here, I have all my tooling right there, I have my scrap or my stock that I keep on the floor. Everything is really close together. And then I have my CNC in the garage, and then I have my sandblasting, glass blasting cabinet in the garage, and then I want everything in one place so I can work quicker and faster and better and make a better product and make more of them and enjoy building more than just walking around to different locations to get everything done. So we're going to change that. So is the new location a giant facility? Far from it. It's actually a shed. It's about 10 feet by 10 feet, and it was a shed on my property that would just store like patio furniture and garden tools and lawnmowers and whatnot. That can all go in the garage, and I tore everything off the walls here, tore all the plywood off, re-insulated it, insulated the roof. It gets freaking cold here in the winter, like -40 cold. So I wanted a place that I could heat fairly efficiently and economically, hence why I'm not using the garage. The garage is big, it's kind of drafty. It would take a lot to bring it up to a point where I'd be comfortable heating it, and then you still have vehicles coming in that bring in moisture in the winter, and moisture gets in the air and that gets on your tools, and not good for machine equipment. So anyways, I wanted a nice location where I could have all my equipment in one place. I could have my mill, I could have my lathe, I could have my CNC. I'm doing some massive upgrades to my milling machine. I'm actually going to convert it to CNC. I got the ball screws and everything on the way, so that's a project coming up. And anyways, I needed a place for everything, so everything is going to go in here. Just finished drywalling it. I have to mud it and tape it, paint it, and pretty it up, and then help with the audio. I got to hang some fabric in here so it's not so echoey. But yeah, here's a 10-second tour of my little shed. It's a shed, it's nothing too fancy yet. The cool thing is though, concrete floor. That will definitely, that'll definitely be a lot better than a carpet flooring. Easier to keep clean, and machines will sit a little more level on it, so that's awesome. With any luck, in the next week or two, I should be moving this equipment out to the shed shop. I will video moving the equipment out there and getting set up. I didn't video the renovations to the shed because honestly, I was trying to hustle through it. And when you take video of something as you're doing it, it takes just so much longer, and then you got the aspect of editing the video as well. So if you want to watch people hang drywall, I'm sure there's other places on YouTube you can look for it, but sadly you won't see it from me yet. Anyways, we'll move that out there. That's gonna take a little bit, and then the next kind of major project is CNCing my mill. It's actually for my anniversary. My wife got me a full CNC package for the mill, so I got some big beefy not servos, oh that'd be wicked. No, I got some stepper motors for it, and I got some double nut ball screws, and I bought a set of the Haas plans. So I'll machine all the parts for that and get that up and rolling. We'll probably go with like a flood coolant and a cabinet as well. Get that all situated out there, get the other little router CNC situated out there, and yeah, we'll have a little manufacturing hub. It'll be awesome, and it'll be cool, and then we can heat it in the winter, and I have a place to shoot video, and yeah, it'll be my own little fortress of manufacturing. So that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. All right, bye.